unbelievable to raise that much money. You know, it doesn't surprise me, but congratulations to all of you. You deserve a hand of applause, definitely.
We are so thrilled with the contributions of Valley USW. They have raised $734,000. It's just amazing, double the amount that they raised last year. And it really put our campaign exceeding our goal this year. So we're very grateful to the generosity of all the workers here at Valley.
And really comes down to the generosity of our employees and their willingness to give and really help those in our community that need it most. So we're so pleased to be part of it and to be able to share this with the rest of the United Way organization, but also the community as a whole.